Introducing Upscale Handheld Vacuum Sealer, which is smart, simple, portable, and easy to use handheld superpower vacuum sealer, which will help you to vacuum and seal a range of items like fruits, vegetables, dry fruits, medicines, cereals, and even clothes, etc. in just few seconds, and suitable for both indoor and outdoor usage. By using this device, you can easily reseal open bags of potato chips and other foods, pack of lunches, leftover snacks, an entire meal. Protect your photos and valuable documents, wrap cosmetics for traveling, and even save your silver jewelries from tarnishing. Inside this very handy package, you will find the main device, DC adapter, 5 reusable vacuum sealer bags with double layer zipper, which allows the vacuum bag to seal for a longer duration. It is available in 2 different models which can be operated with the help of batteries or even AC adapter. In order to use this device, simply insert the batteries in the device, place the item inside the storage bag, seal the zipper tightly, write the date and time for your reference, place the device on top of the nozzle of the vacuum bag, and simply press start button to start the process. It removes air very quickly and efficiently and will help you to preserve your items for a longer period of time. Its maximum vacuum pressure is 62.5 kPa, which ensure it will take only 8 to 12 seconds to seal completely and very efficiently. It is super beneficial device which will help you to manage storage and keep your items compact and organized, and keep your food always fresh 3 to 5 times longer than a regular storage method. This product is very compact and travel friendly and can easily accommodate in your handbag and become your best travel companion. Vent hole in the device are designed to protect the inner mechanism from dust, moisture and dirt, and makes the device durable and long lasting. This device is made of ABS material and bags are made of PEPA material, which can be reused at least for 30 to 50 times than a regular disposable one. It is microwave and a freezer safe. It is super beneficial device for traveling and will help you to manage lot of space while traveling. This device is only compatible with the bags provided with the product or similar bags and not with any normal plastic bags. Upscale household handheld vacuum bag sealer will help you to vacuum, store and preserve everything fresh for a longer period of time.